In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump to end cells in Google Sheets using an easy trick. Whether you're managing a massive dataset or simply want to navigate more efficiently, mastering these quick shortcuts will make your work in Google Sheets a whole lot smoother. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, go ahead and open a Google Sheet. Once you're in, click on cell A1. This starting point will act as our anchor as we explore handy keyboard shortcuts to move through your data swiftly. Starting in cell A1 allows us to practice reaching the different corners of your worksheet, ensuring you get the hang of these simple yet powerful commands. Now, if you want to jump straight to the last cell of column A, here's what you'll do. Press Ctrl on your keyboard, and while holding it down, press the arrow key pointing downwards. This little trick moves your selection from its current cell all the way down to the very last occupied cell in column A. It's particularly useful when dealing with long columns of data, saving you the time you would otherwise spend scrolling manually. Let's say you want to return quickly to the top of the column. No problem. If you're at the bottom of column A, just press Ctrl and the arrow key pointing upwards. This combination swiftly takes you back to your starting point at cell A1, effectively reversing the previous action. Now, let's move horizontally across your worksheet. To jump to the last column on the right, you'll press Ctrl and hold it down, adding the right arrow key into the mix. This shortcut propels you to the last filled cell in your starting row. This is not only time-saving, but helps you quickly assess where data entries end in your sheet. If you need to get back to the first column after checking out the rightmost cells, simply press Ctrl along with the left arrow key. This quickly navigates your cursor back to the beginning of your row, showing you just how seamless moving across large data sets can be. Incorporating these shortcuts into your everyday Google Sheets routine can significantly boost your efficiency and make navigation through data less of a chore. These actions are perfect for when you're dealing with large sets of data and need to quickly find the beginning or end of a row or column without manual scrolling. Try them out next time you're in Google Sheets and watch as these tips transform the way you work, helping you focus more time on analyzing your data rather than navigating through it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful.